Understanding free path and mean free path in gases. Free path. The free path refers to the distance a molecule travels in a gas before colliding with another molecule. It varies from one collision to the next because molecules are constantly moving and changing directions. The free path is different for each collision event. Mean free path. The mean free path is the average distance a molecule travels between collisions in a gas. It depends on factors such as temperature, pressure, and the size of the molecules. The mean free path is useful for understanding how molecules move in different conditions, like in a gas at low or high pressure. Real-life analogy. Free path, like a person weaving through a crowd at a party. Mean free path, the average distance they travel before bumping into someone. Join the ViruScience community for more exciting science content.